Hello everybody, good morning and welcome to my Facebook Live day 28 and today is Tuesday. So how are you doing? So today we are on second day of our week, this week, new week. So how was your Monday? So today again I am going back to this manifesting money so that I was discussing with you. So far we discussed 4 steps and those 4 steps are very critical and important, and by following these 4 steps you can reprogram your brain and reprogram your inner you. So that was very important, and if you have not watched those videos, previous 4 videos, please refer to replays in this profile, or you can go to my YouTube channel Transform Your Life with Coach Nalini. There also I have shared, and if you are in Instagram and you feel comfortable in looking at in Instagram, there also I am there as limitless living underscore Nalini. There also I have shared these videos. You can go there and watch. So today it's step 5. So what is step 5? Okay. So as I said just a while ago, all 4 steps are important, critical steps, and next comes the how part. Okay. All the 4 steps were to work on yourself, inner programming, inner reprogramming. So today is next step, that is step 5. It is how to get this money. Okay, so it's the step 5 is how to create multiple streams of income. Okay, so what is it's just self-explanatory, right? So how is also important, but before going to this how part, you have to first reprogram yourself, that is inner self. Reprogram your inner by following those steps. Remember, setting the intention and working on your blocks or limiting beliefs around this money, and creating and thinking like a wealthy mind, right? And all these steps are very important, and next step was what? 4th step. So like this, all these steps are very important. Okay, so how to change your mindset. Okay, so by doing this you will reprogram your inner self. And 4th step is creating multiple streams of your income. So what is this? So there are many streams you can get money from. Remember, money flows easily, freely, and from everywhere. Okay, literally you can do this. So there are passive income and active income. So what is active income? Active income is you will get the money. You will be getting money in exchange of your time. So maybe you may be doing some job, okay, or business, whatever. So you are actively involved and you are actively giving your time and energy now at this real time. So in exchange you get this money. That is active income. And second type of income is passive income, as it is saying passive. So this is passive. You don't put time every time. Okay, so this is you set up something. Okay, you set up something and you will be continuously getting money out of that. So that is passive income. Yes, you have to put some effort, time, energy for setting up this in there, and continuously you will be getting the income. That is passive income. So if I have to give my example, say you know that I am a coach, personal development coach, empowerment coach, and also I am a psychologist, counseling psychologist, right? So I coach people. So this is me actively doing the work. I have this business, even though I don't want to call that as a business, but still I have this setup where I coach people, counsel people on one-to-one basis, or this group So here I invest my time. In exchange to that I get money. That is active income. Say for example, I have this life coaching, or I call myself empowerment coach. Okay, so like this, one to one I invest money actively and I get this in exchange, this money. So other ways are passive money. So do you know, more amount of money can be got from passive money. So if you want to multiply your money, then you have to set up some system where you get money continuously. So even you are sleeping, when you are sleeping, money will be deposited in your bank account. So that is passive income. So the example what I gave myself, how can I set up this passive income? So for example, so even others, for others also this applies. So you have some work you are doing, that is active income. Passive income, you can write ebook, any book. So it can be ebook, or you can publish the hard copy also. So you write this book, I am giving the example. So nowadays you can self publish your books. For example, I have written an ebook and I publish that in Amazon. It is easy. So Amazon sells the book, that is in Kindle, you can read those ebooks. Once I have written, for writing this book I have to invest time, okay, some amount of time, okay, depending on how much is there to work and all those things. Okay, so I write this ebook and I publish it, and continuously whenever that book is sold, I get some money in my bank account. So this is one type of passive income. Another, for me, again I am taking my example. So another way to do that is passive income. To set up passive income is that I design a course. So Udemy, Coursera, all these platforms are there, but Udemy is vast, many people have access. So I created one course, say for example, how to develop some tools. I develop some tools for overcoming stress. Say I have this course called Stress Busters 101. So I create that, and in that platform, for example Udemy, I put up that course, and whenever people buy my courses, I get the money. This is another example of setting up this passive income. So this is how we set up this passive income. Okay, so for setting up this passive income, you have to work only once, that is all. So for setting up, say, passive income one stream, you have to put up, say, 1 month, 2 months, whatever work, and you put up there, like you have this deposits, safe deposit, like fixed deposits, like that, and it will be coming, the money will be flowing. And through this passive income only you can add to your money, more amount of money can be acquired from this only. Okay, this medium, that is passive income. So this was my example. If I have to give like general example, so another example, if you take, you can put up your money in some, say, stocks, according to what knowledge you have, okay, and invest in some mutual funds. Just these are the safe examples I am giving. So since old days we have been doing this, right, putting up in some fixed deposit, or some putting up saving in some accounts in post office, like this have been done like since ages. Like even my parents were doing, maybe your parents were doing this. So depositing your money, whatever saved money, in this fixed deposit, or like some funds, mutual funds, or somewhere you invest, right? It is just you are investing once and you are getting this interest. Though the amount is less there, So you can do that in next levels. So active money is there, of course, plus you have to set up this active income. Along with that, you have to set up passive income also. So what you can do now is, so there is this one exercise. You take one book or a paper, sit quietly and think in what all ways you can create, okay, generate income passively. List down all the ideas, whatever ideas, at least 10 ideas you list down on this list, like paper or book, whatever comes to your mind. Oh, this, that. So like that you list down all the 10 ideas by which you can set up this passive income. Okay, and so there is no need that you have to do all the 10 ideas at a time. You look at these 10 ideas, read through them, whichever resonates first, you pick up that idea. Even though you may not be knowing anything about that idea, so now you can search in Google, in internet, you search, right? You search in the internet and gather the information and get to know about that, and like that, step by step you can do. So like this you can set up different streams of income. So step 5 is to set up multiple streams of income. I hope you understood this, and this is very simple, right? Active income and passive income. And tomorrow I'll share with you final step, that is step 6. And if you have gone through all these steps, so how was your experience? Please share with me. Were you able to overcome your blocks? Did you able to recognize the blocks or beliefs around this money? Okay, so please share with me your experience, and I would love to read those, and from that only I get motivation. And also please write down, should I continue these lives? Yeah, I have one, like I was thinking about this, and I thought, this live becomes like habit now. So I was thinking, like after, like this is 1 month Facebook live challenge I have put myself. So that is after 2 days, 30th, this will end. After 30th I will not be coming live every day, but I have a good news. So I will be coming live once in a week. So but though I am thinking whether I have this private group I should be doing there or public, I'll be thinking. Anyways, I'll share with you like in a day or two. So now go there, sit quietly and list down all the ideas you get for setting up this passive income. And I'll see you tomorrow with last step. Okay? Take care, have a great Tuesday and great week ahead. Bye bye.